I managed to break my jacket.
Oh, what happened?
I went to this Scandinavian team battle in Copenhagen.
Yeah?
We won the competition and we celebrated the victory.
That.
And then at the after party, I had some troubles getting home on my bike. So this happened. Do you think we can fix this?
Yeah, we can probably fix this. This is what we use. It's called T-Raid. Well, first up, you take one of these.
Down in the dune?
Down in the dune.
Down there, where the dune is. Down. No.
Down! Dune! The Dune jacket! Dude, check out this Dune down jacket! Dude, check out this down jacket!
So now when it dries, we can prepare the patches. And now you want to take it like that.
That looks perfect.
Yeah.
Ready for more victory.